Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to APSACS online support program. Today we are going to have English language session. In this session we are going to learn about adjectives that end on ed, ing. Before going further, we revise adjectives. That what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe any person, place, or things. The question comes in mind, can verbs be adjectives? So the answer is yes. The verbs can be used as an adjective. Let's see it in detail. When we add suffixes ed or ing to verb, and it is used to describe any person, place, thing, animal, or emotion, then that would be called adjectives made by verbs. When verbs are added ed and ing, then they become adjectives, and we can use them to describe something, to describe place, to describe person, to describe animal, to describe emotions. In other words, when we want to describe the characteristics of something, of someone, or some place, or animal or emotion, there we can use ed and ing adjectives. But there is a slight difference between these two. Let's see them. The first one is ing. Ing is added to verb when you want to describe characteristics of a person, place, thing, or an animal. In simple words, when you want to describe a person, when you want to describe a place, when you want to describe a thing, or when you want to describe an animal, there you will use ing adjective. You can see one thing is missing over here that I just have mentioned in the above definition, and that is emotions. We are not going to consider emotions in ing adjectives, because when you want to describe the characteristics of a specific particular person, place, thing, or animal, there you will use ing adjective. Let's see these examples. It's amazing. It's amazing. Here the ing suffix is added to the amaze word, so it has become amazing. Now amazing is just describing a particular thing. It could be a particular place, it could be a particular animal as well. So it's mean the specific subject is being described by the word amazing. Let's see another example. It's frightening. It's frightening. The frightening word is again describing a specific thing. For example, there is an animal and it frightens me. It's mean I am being frightened by the animal. So it's mean the animal is frightening me. So it's frightening. The animal is frightening. So the frightening word is basically describing the animal. Let's see another example. They are loving. Again, we are having ing suffix added to the verb love. So loving is describing the specific people, specific persons. They are loving. This is the characteristics of specific particular people. It's mean they are so much you can say loving nature. Are you getting? Let's see ed in detail. Ed is added to verb to describe feelings or emotions. So now I'm sure you have got the difference between these two, that when you want to describe a specific person, place, thing, or animal, there you will use ing adjective. But when you want to describe the emotions of those things, those people, emotions of people, emotions of animals, so there you will use adjectives that ends on ed. But keep this point in your mind: only persons and animals have feelings. Not anything, not situations have feelings. So we don't use ed adjective with things, with the situations. We just use ed adjective with persons or animals. Look at these three examples. I am excited. Now you can see I am excited. I'm not exciting over here. The word is excited. Ed is added. It's mean the word ed is describing my feelings. How I am feeling right now? I am feeling excited. Let's see another example. He is annoyed. Annoyed is a word. It's an adjective that is describing the feeling of a specific person. The boy is annoyed. He is annoyed. It's mean he is not feeling good right now. Okay? They are so confused. Again, the word confused is describing the feelings of the people, that they are feeling confused. They are not clear about something. It's mean again the feelings are here, emotions are here. We are not talking about the specific person directly. We are talking about the feelings of that person. Are you getting my point? So we have got know that there is a basic difference between these two. When you want to use this when you want to use these adjectives to describe the person, the thing, the place, or animal, or a situation, there you will use ing adjective. But when you want to describe the feelings or emotions of person or animal, there you will use ed adjective. Okay, let's give it a try. Here I am having an example for your practice. Here you are having 5 seconds to think about it, whether this one is right or wrong. The woman was confusing. She didn't know what to do. The word confusing is underlined over here. Now think whether this is right or wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer is wrong. The woman was confusing. The word confusing is describing the feelings of that woman. No, it is not describing the woman directly. It's mean she was confused. The woman was confused. The woman was not confusing. The woman was confused. The confused word is basically describing her feelings. Let's see another example. This place is really very interesting. I love to explore new things. Here you can see the word interesting is underlined, and this word is describing the specific place. Again, you are having 5 seconds. Think whether this one is right or wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the answer is yes, it's correct, because the word interesting is describing the specified place, and we know when it describes directly the thing, the place, the person, so then this we use ing adjective. In the above example, we used ed adjective because they are describing the feelings of that woman. In the second example, we have used ing adjective because we are describing the place directly. I really hope you have understood the concept. Now here you are having your home assignment. On learner's book, page number 13, you will do exercise number 5 and also will make 5 sentences using ed and ing adjectives. Remember, you will do all the work on loose sheets. For your ease, I just have attached page number 13 from learner's book. From this page, you will do exercise number 5 that is given over here. I really hope you have enjoyed this lesson and have cleared each and every point. We'll meet you in next lesson. Till then, goodbye and good luck.